If someone had told me that I could prepare jollof rice without tomato paste or tomatoes, I wouldn't have believed it. But you know, it is possible. And that is what I'm going to share with you today. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. So I just don't want to waste much of your time. Let's get started. In my cooking pot, I have my cooking oil and I'm using coconut oil. So it means we are making coconut jollof rice. So I'll go ahead and add my blended onions and basil. I will allow it to be on fire for some few minutes. Then we'll add the next ingredient. The next ingredient we will be adding to this is our rosemary. Oh my goodness, I can't prepare jollof rice without rosemary. It takes it to the next level and gives it a nice flavor. I will just leave it on fire for some few seconds and then add my bay leaves. Give it a gentle stir. Wait for a while before we add the next ingredient. Thank you so much for your time and I do appreciate it. Now I've added 1 cube of pepper, ginger, garlic, onion and my parsley, then basil. Do you remember this video? Please, if you don't remember it, I will leave the link at the end of the video. Please click on it and watch it for me. That is what we are going to use today, and the video is very short, so you can watch it for me, please. It was like 2-3 minutes video. Thank you so much for being with me till this point. And if today is the first time here, please do not hesitate to subscribe for more videos. If you're watching me from Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, please follow for more and I'll be very grateful. Thank you so much. I will take this opportunity to wish all men happy Father's Day, especially my darling husband and my darling dad. Thank you so much, and you guys are amazing. Those are 2 items my 3-year-old daughter suggested we buy for the dad. I hope he is going to love it. You know, you can't surprise a Ghanaian man. He will just say thank you, madam, instead of him to say, oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness, I just love it. He will just say thank you. Wait, they say, oh dear, let's continue. That is just by the way. So I will leave the stew on fire for some few minutes and then we proceed. I cannot prepare my jollof rice without sardine. Oh my goodness, it adds some taste and flavor to the jollof rice. So I'm going to use 2 and I will mash it very well in the stew. So we are not making this to eat or chew any fish in the stew, but I just want the flavor in the jollof rice. I've added another extra onga tomato seasoning. I've added my rice, toasted it for some few minutes, then I have added the coconut milk. I'm not going to use any water in this recipe, so I'll add more coconut oil and then give it a beautiful stir. After that, this is how it looks. I will leave it on fire for 5 minutes, but let's taste for salt. Perfect. After 5 minutes, this is how it looks, and oh my goodness, I just love it. Okay, I will stir it, cover it and wait for another few minutes, then we proceed. If you've watched me till this point and you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Can you please smash on the red button and the bell icon for more videos, and I'll be very grateful. If you're watching me from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, please do not hesitate to follow for more, and you can follow me on Facebook at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. After 10 minutes, this is how our rice is looking. I just love how it has singled out. So perfect, delicious already, and very mouth-watering. So I'm going to cover it once again and then wait for some few minutes, and I will show you the result. Oh my goodness, you'll be amazed. I'm speechless. That is just by the way. So this is how it looks after some few minutes. Again, you know, we are making this with the heat, not fire, and not water, a lot of water. So I'm just going to cover it again, and I will show you in the next 5 minutes how it looks. It was delicious. The family enjoyed this. Just look at that. Perfect. Delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember, I love you. We paired this with some fried fish and also salad. Please watch my salad recipe and you will love to try it. So I come your way next time. Always remember, I love you. See you in the next one. Bye.